How to create AI apps using Bubble AI. First, open your web browser and go to bubble.io. Then sign in with your Bubble account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you sign in, you'll see the "What do you want to build" screen. In the large text box, describe the app you want to create. For example, type "Create a task management web app with user login, a dashboard, task creation, due dates, progress tracking, and a responsive design." Next, make sure web is selected at the top. If you're building a mobile app, select mobile instead. You can also choose a starting category, such as SaaS platform, AI app, marketplace, or internal tool, depending on the type of app you want to build. After entering your prompt, click the arrow button on the right side of the text box. Bubble AI will now analyze your request and automatically generate your application's pages, database structure, workflows, and user interface. Once your app is ready, review the generated design. You can edit text, move elements, add new pages, customize workflows, and change the layout using Bubble's visual editor. When you're happy with your app, click Preview to test it in your browser. If everything works correctly, you can continue editing or publish your app when you're ready. That's it. You've successfully created an AI app using Bubble AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, no-code app building tips, and easy tech guides.